Welcome to Jannat Learning's digital class. This video is for the virtual university course Business Mathematics and Statistics, MTH 302. Lecture 34 Topic Ways. Factorials, permutation and combinations. We hope this will be informative and helpful. Please subscribe to Jannat Learning if you haven't already. Your suggestions and comments are welcome. Ways: if operation A can be performed in m ways, and B in n ways, then the two operations can be performed together in m into n ways. Example: a coin can be tossed in two ways. A dice, plural, dice singular, can be thrown in 6 ways. A coin and a die together can be thrown in 2 multiply 6 is equal to 12 ways. The multiplication law of probability for independent events states that the probability of 2 independent events both occurring is equal to the product of their probabilities. Tongue-poking smiley. A and B equals P A multiplied by PB. Two events are independent if the probability of one event occurring does not affect the probability of the other event occurring. For example, the outcomes of 2 rolls of a fair die are independent events. The multiplication rule of probability states that the probability of the events, A and B, both occurring together, is equal to the probability that B occurs times the conditional probability that A occurs given that B occurs. The multiplication rule can be written as P A mathematical intersection symbol B, tongue-poking smiley, B, multiply P A B. Independent events. The occurrence of one event does not affect the probability of the other event. For example, when flipping a coin, getting heads does not change the likelihood of getting heads on the next coin flip. Dependent events. The occurrence of one event does affect the probability of the other event. For example, if you draw a king from a deck of cards and do not replace it, it causes the probability of drawing another king to decrease. A bag contains 20 red and 10 blue balls. 2 balls are drawn from a bag one after the other without replacement. What is the probability that both the balls are drawn are red? Solution: let A and B denote the events that the first and the second balls are drawn are red balls. We have to find P A mathematical intersection symbol B, or P A B dot P A equals P red balls in first draw equals 20/30. Now only 19 red balls and 10 blue balls are left in the bag. The probability of drawing a red ball in the second draw 2 is an example of conditional probability, where the drawing of the second ball depends on the drawing of the first ball. Hence, conditional probability of B on A will be
जन्नत लर्निंग डिजिटल क्लास में शिरकत का शुक्रिया। हमारा मिशन आपको तालीमी कामयाबी में मदद करना, आपके तालीमी सफ़र को हमवार और खुशगवार बनाना और रास के लिए जामे हल, मददगार वसाइल और माहिराना रहनुमाई फ़राहम करना है। हमारे कंटेंट में स्टडी की तजावीज़, इम्तिहान की तैयारी, इसकी हिकमत अमली, कोर्स के जायज़ा और बहुत कुछ शामिल है। सीखने वालों की हौसला अफजाई के लिए हमारी कम्युनिटी में शामिल हूँ। आइए मिलकर तालीमी जिद्दत की दुनिया को फतेह करें। बाकायदा अपडेट्स और कीमती इंसाइट के लिए जन्नत लर्निंग को सब्सक्राइब करें।